I have a lot of chainsaws, so make that clear. So if you're saying, oh, buy a real saw, blah, 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 fuck you. Anyways, this is the Echo CS-130. I bought this because it was fairly cheap on eBay, brand new in the box. Been playing with it. It's been a little funky to tune while it's breaking in, but it's been a good saw. But anyways, the chain that came with it it's an Oregon chain. I have to look up the numbers, but it's got the safety links on there. It's not bad, it's fine. So I was looking to seeing what a good replacement would be, and online people are talking about this the 91 VXL Oregon chain. There's a steel RS that I want to try in here too. It's an actual full chisel, but this 3/8 low profile micro chisel or whatever they call it on here, it's what I'm gonna try for now. Anyways, the first video is cutting with the stock chain, and then the second video obviously is the one with the new chain, and we'll see what happens. Enjoy. So if you watch the video, so I'm just out here, I don't have a stopwatch, so I was just timing the videos going 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, blah blah blah. So with the stock chain, which is still sharp, I sharpened it before. I got up to 7 Mississippi, like into the Mississippi part. This is so technical and scientific. You can time for yourself. But with the new 91 VXL chain, right when I got to said 6 before I said Mississippi, that's when cuts were done. So it's about a second and a half, 1.5, 1 Mississippi slower or faster, depending on which way you look at. So I think that's a good upgrade if you own a Echo 3110. Next chain I'm going to get in the next couple of weeks is the steel RS full chisel that they make for it, and I'm going to test that. And might be better, but it's a low powered saw, so it might be too much of a bite, but we'll see. Anyways, take it easy. Bye.